In the highly competitive South Bay market, video podcasting places your specific expertise directly in front of local decision makers. Many business owners falter here by adopting a rehearsed persona. By trying to mimic the delivery of famous podcasters, they ensure they will only ever be a secondary version of someone else. The challenge is positioning your actual personality so that your authenticity becomes an advantage your competitors cannot replicate. We develop these on-camera identities at Voxel Micro Video Labs. See our current projects and available setups by opening a new tab and visiting voxelmicrovideolabs.com. Capturing a raw, authentic on-camera persona serves as the mechanical driver for converting local listeners into paying clients. The first step addresses a common response to the studio environment. New hosts often feel an instinct to write and read a dense, word-for-word script to avoid making mistakes. Reading from a page creates a rigid, unnatural cadence. This lack of vocal variety quickly severs the connection you are trying to build with a prospective client. We solve this by eliminating the script and replacing it with a bulleted roadmap, a lean, 4-part structural outline. This involves scripting only your initial hook to ensure a strong start, followed by 3 to 5 bare-bones talking points to guide the rest of the conversation. Look at your current content plans. Aggressively cut your notes down until only these essential anchor points remain. Without a script to lean on, you are forced to formulate thoughts in the moment. This allows your natural, high-converting personality to surface. Step 2 targets the psychological atmosphere. The formal nature of a recording studio can cause both hosts and guests to take a guarded, defensive posture. You can bypass this by delaying the announcement that you have started recording. This allows the guests to move past their initial performance anxiety before the heavy lifting begins. Adopt the coffee shop mindset. Use the same tone and posture you would employ when speaking to a favorite customer at a local cafe. This diagram shows how to move past surface-level PR answers. Asking follow-up questions like why or how come triggers a drop into a deeper layer of information. This secondary depth is where you find the golden, authentic soundbites that generate actual engagement from your audience. Manufacturing a casually intimate environment is a strategic way to extract the specific business insights that local audiences prioritize. Step 3 changes your entire narrative strategy. Local marketing often relies on logical sales pitches, which are less effective than the stories the South Bay community actually responds to. To build these narratives, we use a methodology called reverse engineering. We start at the end by identifying the exact realization the listener must have. From that point, we map backward to determine how to get them there. This helps select specific personal case studies as stepping stones toward that final transformation. Instead of focusing on a download count, picture 100 actual physical humans sitting in a room, listening to your expertise. An authentic narrative commands the attention of that room, creating a reaction that carries more weight than any standard sales pitch. A reverse-engineered story provides the logical and emotional evidence required for a local listener to initiate a sales conversation. The protocol for an authentic persona relies on 3 pillars: using a roadmap instead of a script, maintaining a conversational frame, and reverse-engineering your narrative. Projecting this authentic local identity correlates with an influx of high-quality South Bay sales leads. Currently, high demand from local competitors is reducing the available time slots in premium recording spaces. Secure your production time at voxelmicrovideolabs.com before the remaining studio inventory is fully committed. Authenticity is a strategic asset only if you choose to execute. Booking your studio session today establishes your authority in the local market.